Hey guys, thanks for checking out our videos here. We're putting together a pretty decent job here of direct drive 2000 series auto drills. These don't have feed controls, but they do have a hard stop allowing for the stroke to be adjusted all the way up to 4 inches or down to as little as you'd like. You have ER20 style collet chucks here with the collets in place. Got some proximity sensor blocks with some triggers and a whole bunch of neat stuff. The ports on these, of course, are all set up for the air to be piped in here with fittings. So you put air in the front housing, it retracts. Put air in the back housing, it extends forward. And a good number of units here. So we've got, just to show you what's going on, this is the rest of them. We got all the motors set up. And this is one customer. We have a couple different jobs like this. You can see, it's a little dark back here, but you can see all the motors all lined up for a couple of future big jobs that are going out. We would love to solve your manufacturing challenge with AutoDrill. So we have no problem with capacity. We would love to just assist you in any way we can to make you more efficient, more profitable. And yeah, AutoDrill.com, AutoDrill.mx for the Spanish speakers in all of South America, including, of course, Mexico. And AutoDrill.com.au for Australia, New Zealand, that whole area. Great day.